To print, simply come up here and click on this plot icon. And if you want to plot PDF, click on this drop down and select DWG to PDF. Select this one. You can click here and select your paper size, ISO A4. I will click it. And then for the area you want to plot, click on this drop down and select window. You can zoom back and highlight what you want to plot. You just click once, go diagonally and click again. If it doesn't fit right, you can click this window and correct it however you want and just click. Now this hatch area is your drawing, so it isn't exactly in the center, so click on this center the plot and now it's perfectly centered. If this isn't checked, check it to fit the paper size. And now if you want to draw in color, click on this drop down, select AutoCAD to show you this. Just select no and you can preview it. This is how it will look, and then click on plot and then give it a name. I will give it 11111111 color. Then select document and then click on save. In just a moment it will open like this. However, if you want it all black, simple, select AutoCAD again, select the plot, select the PDF here. A4 is already there. Select window, highlight whatever you want, center it, fit it to paper, change this to monochrome, select no, you can preview it, and then simply click on plot, begin typing 111, it will show you that one, and then change that to black, and click on save, and you have something like this.